Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this banana cake. Welcome to my channel. I have 3 eggs, salt, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla extract, some mashed bananas, and sugar, flour, and vegetable oil. Don't ask me how I'm sure of the difference here, but experience. Right, let's get right into it. So now I'm starting with the bananas. I'm just going to pour the banana into the bowl. Slightly use my whisk to mash it a bit more. Just want to get rid of some of the chunks. The chunks are totally fine, just want it to be less. Okay, now I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. 1 egg. 2 egg. And the 3rd egg. Alright, so now that that's mixed, okay. I'm just trying to still break up some of the banana chunks. Alright, I think I'm happy with that now. Alright, so next to go in is the vegetable oil. So I'm adding the vegetable oil. 1 cup. Mix that together really well. This recipe is, you guys know I'm all for easy recipes, right? Like, if it's not easy, I'm gonna think twice, just because of time and everything else that comes with motherhood. All right, so that's fully combined. Now I'm going to go in with the vanilla extract. Really no measurement here, but it says 2 teaspoons on the recipe. So yeah, just some vanilla extract. Love it. I'm going to combine that as well. This is so fast. Now, in goes the sugar. So I'm going to add my sugar. Right. Mix that up. This is the best banana recipe you will try, I promise you. Well, just because it's so easy, but like there are other flavors and stuff. Yeah, so mix that together. Now I will go in with the dry ingredients. All right, so I have my flour here. I'm just going to add the baking soda, the salt, and the baking powder. And yeah, just mix that together, shake that up. I hope my microphone is working though. And then pour it in there. So I'm doing half first, as always. The reason why I would do this is just because it's easier to handle and avoid any lumps and chunks and stuff. All right, so mix that up together. Combine that really well. Mixing, mixing, mixing. And then I'm going with the next half. We're done already. We're done. Life is good. Super, super, super easy. I think this just took me 5 minutes to do, and that's even with recording. Well, apart from measuring time. So measuring time was just about 10 minutes because I was distracted too. So yeah, very simple, less than 40 minutes. Everything is done, baking, mixing, measuring, yeah. All right, so it's combined. Now it's time to stop and transfer it into the foil packs. The reason I always use foil packs for my recipes is because it's easier for me to preserve. So it's already divided into portions for me and my husband. So when we want to have a snack, we just take out 1 pack and we share one. So it's better than having to cut through a whole round cake. So that's why I use the foil all the time. Okay, so let's get right into this part. I'm going to go now to preheat my oven, and I'll be back to pour it into the foil packs. Alright, so time to measure it into the packs. I have one question for you guys, for you watching. If you've watched my video more than one time, I just want to know, what is it that you like about my content? So please let me know in the description. I would really love to hear it, and it will really be a good motivation for me so I can know what to improve on and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm expecting to see your comments. Please, please, please. Thank you so much. Love you. And when I say I love you, I really mean it. I don't even have to know you to love you. I mean, we're all siblings. We're all human. All right. I'm doing this at about 6 a.m. I'm trying out a new content recording style. I usually do it during the day because I can't do it in the middle of the night because my toddler is not the sleeping straight kind of toddler. So now I'm trying early morning. So this is about 6:30 or 7 a.m. I started around. She was awake, of course, but like I'm moving on now. She's asleep. But I think this should be a better system because I've been really struggling with creating content recently because she just doesn't let me breathe. All right. So time to bake. I'm going to bake in the oven for about 20 minutes until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. I'm using a gas oven, so I'm just going to turn it down to lowest because gas ovens can be really difficult to regulate. So yes, let's move on. First, one cake is ready. I'm just going to take this out and cut it open for you to see. And just wrap it up. So soft. So soft. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I already took a bite of this. My God, it is so good. And I love the chunks. I can't talk too much, but I think you should get the point. It is good. I would recommend that you leave all the chunks in there. Don't overmash the bananas because the chunks just really help to give the whole banana effect. Look how fluffy that is. Look at the bounce.